got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How's it going, man?
Yeah, man, how you doing? Alright, you gotta bear with me. I'm having some charging issues.
I'm good, man. However you gotta do it, man. What you running in here, man?
There's 8 black brick house 15s on 2 black brick 0 dark 30Ks. Right now I'm also having issues with my roof.
Oh, man, everything in it. Said right in time for the show, ain't it?
Yeah.
Bitch, I be covered in baby. You know I keep me a K. You know I keep me a drink. Go grab a nigga like a egg. Ocean dry, sipping codeine with the top down. 20 grand on me, like a jury and a clock. Got my own money, pussy nigga, I did not sign. Say your savage name in the song and some shots on Ocean Drive.
Let me give you another one.
Okay, they're too low in it.
As soon as it plays low, you hear the roof.
It's
starts-
actual roof in it.
Yeah.
Up on, oh, yeah, I thought.
Yeah, I'm trying to find something that's a little bit higher. Sorry, it's gonna be a little bit higher note.
Are you
but-
good?
We're the ones staying lips, yes,
Yeah, everything's heating up, boy.
Yeah, well, these things smell like if you touch them, they're ice cold. These sucks stink.
Oh, they are.
They stink.
Yeah, man. They're putting in work, though.
I just got this thing together the last day before coming here, but now like I'm having some issues
Yeah.
with that roof. You can obviously hear it.
Now you gotta take it back down and do some more stuff.
Yeah. Well, I just got to get some braces. I'm gonna get another brace
push up.
from here to here, and then I'm gonna get one from here to right up here. And then
You
we'll be good
keep
to go.
from losing the glass.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Let them know where they can find you on social media anywhere.
Well, teammate Hurts, social media, I ain't got much things set up yet,
Okay.
so I appreciate it.
I'm sure somebody know you on there.
Yeah. My name is Roman.
Okay, good to see you, bro.
Thank you, man.
All right, thank you, man.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.